Start. Dr. L.P. Misra submits that the said report was prepared without the participation of the petitioner company and without giving any opportunity to give a reply to the allegations that now form the basis of the passing of the impugned order. He further submits that the calculation as reflected in the impugned communication dated 25/7/2016, particularly in clause 9 thereof about the act of the petitioner company being involved in overdrawing with a criminal intent of defalcation was never intimated to the petitioner to explain the same, and even otherwise the entire calculation is erroneous. Hence, the conclusion drawn being patently incorrect, the action is arbitrary. Dr. Misra then argued that there was ample material on record to demonstrate that the entire delay had been caused on account of the unavailability of the environmental clearance that was the obligation of the State Highways Authority and which admittedly took more than a year to communicate. The aforesaid delay in the execution of the project and otherwise all the hindrance were totally attributable to the respondent number 2 that have been completely ignored while passing the impugned order, and therefore the decision making process is clearly vitiated, being arbitrary and whimsical. He has further submitted that these facts about the breach on the part of the respondent number 2 were not even brought to the notice of the High Court, nor was the petitioner a party in public interest litigation number 15147 of 2005, where directions were issued for completion of the project wide judgment dated 21/4/2015. It is submitted that the information given about the meeting chaired by the Chief Secretary and the resolutions passed therein as quoted in the said judgment were totally incorrect. Informations given an impression as if the petitioner company had voluntarily, without any justification, abandoned the project. It is therefore urged that taking shelter by the respondent number 2 of the aforesaid judgment is totally unjustified, and in such circumstances, in view of the judgments that have been cited at the bar, the impugned order communication dated 25/7/2016 is sustainable and deserves to be quashed. Controverting the aforesaid submissions, Sri Vivek Raj Singh has raised a preliminary objection with regard to the entertaining of the writ petition on the ground that any dispute arising out of the agreement dated 19/5/2011 has to be resolved as per Article 44 of the Terms of Agreement initially by conciliation and on failure of mediation through arbitration. He further submits that so far as the delay part at the initial stage of environmental clearance is concerned, the same was suitably compensated by providing more time to the petitioner company through a revised memorandum of time schedule, and therefore no prejudice was caused on account of any such delay in obtaining environmental clearance. He further submitted that as the matter of fact, the petitioner company voluntarily abandoned the project as the result whereof the entire project was put in jeopardy, that gave rise to the filing of a PIL, and then consequential action by the State Highways Authority.